Alright, so we're back here with the 2007 Honda Pilot. Today we're going to be looking at this power steering pump right over here. Sorry, let's see, that's a little bit, there we go. Power steering pump is right here. You got one hose, one line coming here. Then you got a suction cup or a suction hose right over here. So if you ever start up your car and it's just sounding, rough, or possibly it's sounding maybe air is getting into the pump, there are actually two little O-rings. They look like this right here, and sometimes I guess they can actually fix it. There's one inside of here. There's just two 10mm bolts. Pop it open, there's a little O-ring inside, and there's one on this as well. Where I took off the suction cup or hose right there. Just be careful, there were liquid will leak out. So, but we got to take off this part as well, and it's just over in here. But there's a little 10mm bolt that's underneath it. It's kind of hard to see. Kind of a pain in the butt if you don't have anything, a small, this isn't kind of your standard size, but it's something smaller. It's a little more difficult to get out. So you can take off this over here. This just snapped into right here, and easy to come off. And I may even take this, and there's just a bolt over here that you can take off down here to get some more room. So we're going to try this and see how it goes. Alright, just take this clamp back here. Pretty simple. Here's the hose. You just kind of work it back, and it'll come undone here. Yeah. Let's see here. How much this is going to leak out, but we'll pull it off here. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, the O-ring is in this little nipple thing, so we'll pull it out here in a second. Alright, got this off. That was kind of a pain in the butt. That bolt down in there is kind of a real pain, but once you get it off, the O-ring was supposed to be usually around here, but it was actually just stuck right in. And if you get a little pick thing or anything, I just used a fingernail thing and able to get it out. Once you do that, we'll just put the new one back on, and we'll put it back in. Alright, it goes like this. So the O-ring goes back on there, and it'll just go back in there like normal. Get it in there and screw it back on. Alright, everything is back up. I'm probably going to put a little more power steering fluid in and give it a few turns over, and it should be good to go. So once again, 2007 Honda Pilot, O-ring replacement on the power steering. Alright, back out here at the 07 Honda Pilot. It's morning. I'm going to start this up and see if the power steering pump still makes that same noise. I think that solved it.